Our lesson for today it's about dividing decimals by whole numbers. I will start with 7.79 divided by 6. This is called decimal and this is called whole number. Okay, how can I do this problem? I will say to myself how many 6 and 7. It will be ordinary division, so I will make 7. How many 6 and 7? So it's 1. This is table 6, and 1 multiplied by 6 give me 6. Then I will subtract. This is the third step. I already explained the long division um, on the last session. You will make the steps. You will start with divide, then multiply. The third step it will be for subtraction, then bring down. Okay, I make the divide. I say to myself how many 6 and 7, so it will give me 1. Then I will say to myself 1 multiplied by 6, it's only 6. Then I will make subtract. 7 minus 6 gives me 1. I will make the point. The point here, it's I will move it up, and I will put the point like this. It wouldn't be any problem on this one. You will be, if you made the point, put it. Okay, so it's ordinary division, يعني like a long division, but if you made the point, you will put the point. Then you will make bring down. This is the fourth step. I will make 7, so it becomes 17. 17, I bring down the 7 like this. It becomes 17. 17 divided by 6, it will be how many 6 in 17? You will go to the timetable of 6. You will find it's only 2. Okay, you will take 3 because 3 multiplied by 6, it will be 18, and it's more than 17. So you will choose the smaller than 17 or equal 17, but there is nothing in table 6 called 17, so you will choose 2 multiplied by 6, it will be 12. Then I make the multiply, then I will go to the subtraction. So 17 minus 12, it will give me 5. Okay, then the last step, you will make 9. You will bring down 9. So it will be 59. 59 divided by 6 in timetable 6. You will find that there is 6 multiplied 9. It will be 54. And if you get it, it wouldn't be يعني reasonable to get 9 multiplied by 10. I wouldn't write 10 here, so it's not right. I will write 9. It's closer one, and برضو يعني you will find 10 multiplied by 6, it will be 60 more than 59. Okay, like 59 9 multiplied by 6, it will be 54. Okay, so you will make subtract. You will find that it will be 5. Okay, so the answer will be 1.29, and the remainder will be 5. Okay, and the remainder will be 5. Type. This is what we call this type of division. This is called infinite division. Infinite division. Okay, it it will be infinite division. Okay, so you will go to another one. I will take this one. Let me change the color of the pencil. I will take this one. If I make 2.12 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, يعني it's very easy, but there is a problem here. you will find this is another kind of division. I will say how many 2 in 2, it's already 1. So I will go to this one. I find there is a point. I will move it up here like this. Then I will tell myself 1 divided by 2, or how many 2 in 1. It's a, it's not, it's not reasonable. How many 2? The 1 is less than 2. So you will say to yourself, there is any 2 in 1, so it makes 0, and you will put the 0 here because 1 is in the dividend and it's a digit on the dividend, so you will put 0 here. Okay, طيب. Then you will this one will a will knock on 2 to make a big force in front of 2, so it becomes 12. Knock on 2, so it becomes 12. 12 divided by 2, you will find it's in table 2, you will find it's 6. So the answer will be 1.06, not 1.6. Okay, don't forget this 0. Okay, let's go to the third one. This is another type. I choose the different type of dividing. So I will take 3 divided by 2. How many 2 in 3? There is only 1. I will put 1. And 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. And then the third step, you will make subtraction. It will give me 1. Then I will bring down, but I will find there is a point, so I will move it up here. It wouldn't be a big deal if you put the point here. يعني هي المشكلة في البوينت حطها وبس. طيب, then you will bring down 17 divided by 2. You will find 17 divided by 2. It will be how many 2 in 17? You will find that 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. Okay, then we will make, guess what will be the third step? It will be subtraction. Yes, so you will put 1. Okay, are we finished here? No, there is 0, so you will bring down 0, and I think this is the last number that I will break down. I will start the steps of the division. Divide. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Multiplied. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Then you will subtract. It will be 0. Okay. We are finished to the multiplication. Type. Measure these angles by protractor. You will put the whole of the protractor on this vertex, and you will start measuring. طيب, ساعات بيبقى فيه هنا مثلا موجود two reading, واحدة بال 100 and numbers. If I make an example 100 مثلا 20, and there is another one, but it's not the actual measuring. So, and another one is 60. You will say to yourself, you wouldn't take 120 because you will mention the type of these angles. The type of this angle is acute angle. So the acute angle, it's less than 90 degrees. So it wouldn't be logic يعني ان انا اختار 120. No, I will choose the small reading. It's 60. طيب, what about this one? It's before measuring, I will mention the type of the angle. It's obtuse. Okay, so the obtuse angle, it will be more than 90 degrees, but not a straight line. Straight line, it will make you 180. 180. If you make a straight line, it's not a straight line, so it wouldn't take 180. It will take the numbers that less 180. طيب, if I saw 120 and 60, what the measure that I will choose? I will choose the biggest one because it's obtuse. خلاص. طيب what about this one? It will be for acute angle. I won't choose. Okay, let's move to this one, right? And this is for the final. This is this type of questions. It's for final. خلي بالكوا دي جايباها من امتحانات سابقة. بحاول على قد ما اقدر احط لكم فيه امتحانات، مسائل امتحانات بحطها في الاكسترا، بحطها في المين شيتس، كل ده هيساعدكم. خلاص. I will start with this one. Write these amounts as decimal number. Decimal number, this is 5 pounds. You will found pounds as LE. Okay, and 35 pence. Pence it's يعني يعني بما يعادل كده البياسترز عندنا كده بما يعادلها، واحنا عارفين ان عندنا 1 pound equal what? Equal 100 piasters. Okay, 100 piasters. So if I go to this one, 5 pounds, so it will be for a whole number or it will be included into the decimal. Yes, I hear you, it's for a whole number, so I will put 5 then. Okay, and this means that I will put the point like this. Okay, 35 pence, 35 pence, and that is for 35 pence. So the answer will be 5.35. Okay, let's move to another type, and I think you will face a problem on this one. So I choose this problem. 4 pounds, it's for whole like this. And what about and 3 pence? I see one of you write 4.3. It's not 4.3. It's we said before that 1 pound it's 100 piasters. So if I make piaster, if I turn piasters to a whole number, you will divide it by 100. So it will be 3 over 100. It will give me 0, yes, 0.03. So it's not true to write it like this, so you will add big 0 here. So it will be 4.3 hundredths, not 3 tenths. Okay, just to be accurate in this one. And this also will be 5 as a whole number. Then put the point, 7 pence, it will be 40.7. Okay, طيب. I think this is easy. The value of 5, it will be here in tenth place. So the value of it, you will write the value, by the way, with the digits. So you will write 50, and this will be 500, and this will be 5,000. Let's go to another type, and I think this type يعني الشاطرين وقعوا فيه. بصوا معايا كده وركزوا معايا قوي علشان تجيبوا الحل دوت بالظبط زي ما هو، يعني عشان تجيبوا الحل صح، علشان ما نتعبش في الحكاية دي. بصوا يا حبايبي، انتوا هتكتبوا النمبرز دول vertical، يعني هتكتبوا كده 0.534 and then you will put 0.753. Okay, you will put it here like this. Then you will start comparing from the tens. تاني هقولها تاني. You will start comparing from the tens place. If you find the whole, you will start comparing from the whole. You will start from the left. Okay, طيب. This is 5 and here is 7 and this is 3 7. بصوا معايا هنا هيقولوا لي يا مس طب ده انا على طول هجري واقوم مختاراه واقول دوت اللي هو السمولست نمبر لان هو 2 نمبرز. لا، ولا هختار ده؟ نو. هتقولي ده لا. بصوا معايا كده، انا if I add، انا لما بقول مثلا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، انا لما بقول هنا 0.7 خلاص، and I will start comparing with 0 sorry 0.75. اوكي، تعالوا بقى start comparing. هتقولي لي يا مس ده one number. لا، هو دوت مش one number و two numbers according to the whole number. ده decimal، انا بتعامل مع decimals. فالديسمالز here I will start from the tens it's 7. هتقولي لي يا مس طب ما هو ده 7 وده 75. طيب هل ده هو ده السمولست؟ تعالوا نبص كده السمولست from the, all of these. لا، تعالوا انا لو حطيت الاتنين دولت وهفهمكم ليه انا بعمل كده. انا عندي 7 from the tens and 7 from the tens. It's the same, so I will go to this one. There is nothing, and nothing in math means zero. طيب يا miss zero. Okay, so it becomes 0 and this is 5. So this is smaller than 7.5, but it's not the smallest one. Okay, concentrate. I will start with this 5 7 3 7 7 3. Okay, you will find the smallest one that has 3. يبقى انا عندي هنا comparing from 3 the biggest one is 3 digits. I will put 0 here and I will put 2 zeros here to make it easy for my eye. It's يعني it's the same, it will be the same. So I will start يعني 0.7 هي لما اقول 0.70 او 0.700 it will be the same, it will be equals. So the smallest one it will be that has this one is 3 and there is another 3. So I will start comparing with them, and I will start with this one and this one. You will find this is 3 and this is 3. What else is the same? So I will look at the hundreds. It's 4 and this is 7. So it's supposed to be this one, the first one, and this is the second one. Let's go to the second one. It's 4 5 7 7 7. I will get it side. I will make 5. I will take this 5, so this is the third one. Okay, what about the sevens? I will start comparing with them. This is 7 7 7 and this is 0 5 5. So this is the turn of this one, so it will be 4. Okay, then I will get to this one 7 5 and this is 7 5. طب what about this one? This is 3 and this is 0. So I will choose this one. It will be 5 and this will be the order, the sixes. Okay, so this is the biggest one. اوكي، محدش يعمل لي بقى الترتيب تاني لان في ناس شاطرين عملوا لي في الامتحان. اعملوا لي في البلاك تيست اللي فات، اعملوا لي حاجه بصراحة ضايقتني ان دي حاجة سهلة محدش يغلط فيها. خلاص، طيب تعالوا الراوندنج. الراوندنج هنا 82.8. لما اجي اعمل راوندنج يا جماعة انا بقول round to the nearest whole number، يعني انا عايزة الهول نمبر بس. I want the whole number only. طيب هعمل ايه بقى علشان اعرف اذا كان it will increase or decrease؟ I will look at the tens place. The tens place here is tenth, so it's 8, so it's more than 5. If it's 5 or more, add one more. So you will add 1 to this one, so it will becomes 83. طيب what about this one? Where is the whole number؟ يبقى انا لما اجي يقول لي whole number ولما تكبروا وياخدوا يقول التنث او الهندردز، انا بكتفي بس بالتنث او الهندردز انا بكتفي بس لغايه كتابه التنث او الهندردز. محدش يقوم عامل لي 83 ويقوم كاتب لي بوينت 8، لا كده يعني بيج ميستيك، هتتحسب لك غلط والله من اولها عن اخرها. فاحنا احنا هو طالب منك ان انت عايز round to the nearest whole، ما تقعدش تكتب وتألف وتقوم حاطط لي ديسمال وتوجع لي قلبي لما اقول هنا 4.39. طيب فانا عايزه whole number، يبقى انا هكتفي بالكتابه الهول نمبر سواء بقى زاد او قل. طيب تعالوا بقى نبص هنا، هو مش اللي هو بيفضل زي ما هو. طيب الهول نمبر is 4. اوكي this is my target 4. طيب انا عندي هنا I will look at the tens place it's 3. So you will add 1 or you will leave it. Okay, it will be 3. It's less than 5. It's less than 5. So it wouldn't add you wouldn't add anything for 4, so it will be 4. Okay. طيب what about this one? You will find 12. Okay, and this is 5. Okay, I will say to myself this is 5, I will add 1 to the 12, it will give here 1, so it becomes 13. So it will be 13. Let's go. يا رب الصوت يطلع. Let's go to this one, fill in the missing numbers. Okay, fill in the missing numbers. This is 100. How many multiplied by 100 equals 300, 3,000, 35,000. Okay. So you will say to yourself 100. This is the missing part and supposed to be the biggest part. Okay, not the biggest part. The biggest part, sorry, it will be here as the product. Okay, so you will say to yourself this is لو انت قابلت الاثنين كده جنب بعض you will ايه you will make it as divide. You will make it as a divide. So you will erase this two zeros. We have two zeros here. We will remove with another two zeros. So the remainder will be 350. Okay, طيب let's make sure that our answer is right. I will say to myself 350 multiplied by 100. I will add the zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So I will add 3 zeros as it's clear here. Then I will say to myself 35 multiplied by 1. It will be 35. Okay, what about this one? This one, it's already I put it in your quiz. If I say to you 48,000 divided by how many equal 48? Okay, you will say to yourself this is divide, so I will make this one this zero with this zero. هل هعمل 3 zeros مع zeros مع zero واحد؟ لا. I will remove this zero, so it will be, and I will divide it by 48. So the answer will be 48. I will read it here. It will be 100. So it will gives me 100. Okay, let's go to this type. لو جالك هنا في الامتحان complete these calculations. I will make, if you saw the brackets أنا كاتبه لكم هنا إن أنتوا لما تشوفوا brackets you will make the operation, the first operation you will do the operation in the brackets. طيب أنا عندي هنا 35 plus 25 it will give me 60. I will multiply by 100. احنا عارفين المultiply بيحب adding للزيرو، فاحنا عندنا 1 2 3 zeros, so I will add 1 2 3 zeros. Then I will say to myself 6 multiplied by 1 it will be 6,000. Okay, طيب let's go to another type. This one I think it's very easy. Fill in the missing numbers. This is 23,000 divided by 1,000. احنا عارفين divide if I find the zeros على طول اعمل removing للزيرو according to the divisor. This is the dividend and this is divisor, so you will remove two zeros with two zeros. Okay, so the remainder will be 230 divided by 1, it will be 230. Okay, let's go to another one. ده برضو احنا بنعمل هنا بنقول لازم نعمل الاوبريشن، ما تضحكش عليا وتقوم كاتب لي more than و less than و equal، يعني هي برضو هتاخد عليها الدرجة بس مش هتبقى الدرجة كاملة. انت لازم تعمل ايه؟ لازم تعمل 110 multiplied by 2 so it will give me 210. انا بحب قوي الستبس، غرق لي الورقة اجابات، انا بحبها. اعمل ورك اوت لنفسك هنا في الامتحان، حلو قوي، هدور لك على الحل الصح. احنا بنقعد ندور على الحل الصح ونديكوا عليه، ممكن تكون حللها صح فتلاقيه تخسر درجات. اعمل لي ورك اوت هير او درافت وحلي لي فيها زي ما انت عايز، بس تكون باسلوب منظم مش كله جاي على بعضه. so 220 this is 220. لما يكون عندنا هنا multiplication و plus the first step you will make the multiplication then you will make the addition, so it will be 245. okay, and you will find the answer here, then you will compare between the answers that you will get. okay, this one start with 16. It's very easy. I will start with 16, then I will multiply by 4, so it will give me 64. okay, 64. I will subtract 4. He told me subtract 4, so I will subtract 4, so it will be 60. okay, then double the answer. The answer here is 60, so it will be 120. okay, it's easy. اوكي طيب تعالوا بصوا على this type ده، هينفعك، هو مش هيجي في يعني مش هيجي في الكويز بتاع المرة دي، بس علشان تفهموا دي جت منين ودي جت منين. بصوا معايا كده، ده subtraction. السبتراكشن المفروض ان احنا لما بنعمل subtract، فاكرين واحنا صغيرين كنت بقول لكم ايه؟ بقول لكم يا جماعة لازم يكون الجريتست الاول، ما تحطوليش السمولست. بعدين لما تاخدوا النيجاتيف والبوزيتيف انتوا بتكتبوها زي ما هو عايزها. ممكن يبتدي بالسمولست وبتجيبوا الحل بالنيجاتيف، بس ده مش موضوعنا دلوقتي. بس لما يكون في هنا عندنا انت لغايه دلوقتي انت بتاخد ان greatest هو اللي بيبقى موجود الاول، فطبعا ده greatest وهنا subtraction. يبقى انت عشان تجيب greatest هل هتعمل subtract؟ لا، بالعقل كده انت هتعملها ايه؟ اعمل the opposite of the operation, it will be plus. خلاص you will make it plus, so 7 plus 8 it will be 15. 5 and carry up 1. وخلي بالكم هقولها المرة المليون، لما يكون في هنا عندنا hundreds انت بتعمل subtract or addition. لو هنا hundreds لازم هنا hundreds. طب لو هنا 1 tenths بس حط البليس هولدر زي ما قلت لك الزيرو. طيب 7 plus 8 it will be 15. 1 plus 2 it will be 3. 3 plus 6 it will be 9. Then I find the point, I will move it down, then it will be 3 plus 1 it will be 4 يا حبايبي معلش. 7 plus 2 equal 9. خلاص, so the answer will be 94.95. اوكي طيب عايزين تتأكدوا من الحل في الامتحان، هاتوا دي ماينس النمبر ده. لو طلع لك ده، لو طلع لك الريزلت here like this يبقى انت ماشي خطواتك صح. طيب لو اجي هنا، طب يا مس انت عملتي هنا عملتيها بلس، انا بفكر معاكم ده greatest وده على طول بيبقى smallest عنه. طب هنا لو هو عايز السمولست here اللي هو السكند one، طيب انت هتجيبه ازاي؟ هتعمل هو subtraction، اعمله subtraction عادي، مفيهوش اي حاجه خالص، هتعمله subtraction عادي. انما مش هقعد اقول لك مثلا لو قريبين من بعض ولو لا، خلينا نفكر بتفكير يعني لوجيك شويه، ان احنا لازم نفكر في كده. افهموا طريقة التفكير دي. انا حتى كاتبه لكم هنا greatest هنا smallest عشان smallest فبتعمل subtraction عادي، وطبعا بتجيب الجريتست الاول. طيب تعالوا let's move to another part. احنا عارفين الفراكشن تو decimals، انا كنت حاطه لكم على البورد ان انتوا تفهموا ان 1 over 2 او الهاف equal 0.5، كنت حاطه لكم على البورد لو تفتكروا. 1 over 4 equal 0.25 وقلت لكم تحفظوها، و 3 over 4 0.75 عشان محدش يخدعكم فيه. طيب what about this one? Write your answer as a fraction and as a decimal. طيب احنا عندنا هنا how many؟ احنا عندنا هنا هتلاقي you find 10 triangles. okay shaded what? This is the whole number. طيب shaded as what؟ عندنا 1 2 3 4 4 parts، يبقى 4 over 10. طب كان يا مس can we make it by another way؟ yes. هتقول مثلا هتعمل زي هتقول 4 over 10 يعني برضو it's equal to 2 over 5. this is 2. okay 2 over 5. طيب طب ديت with fraction. what about decimal؟ it will be 0. 4 over 10 makes 0.4. okay طيب let's go. this is very important. احنا عندنا هنا sort these numbers. الناس اللي كانت عايزين الفاكتورز والمالتيبلز. sort these numbers in the Carroll diagram. This is numbers 1 to 15 12 sorry. طيب هنا عندنا multiples of 4 وهنا factors of 12. يبقى في in this place كل اللي انا هعمله بس ان انا هكتب الفاكتورز المالتيبلز of 4 والفاكتورز of 12. فانا خليني ذكي شويه واقوم زي عادتكم طبعا المالتيبلز of 4 multiples of 4. في كلمه multiples of 4 التايم تيبل of 4. خلاص تايم تيبل مش عارفه اكتبها بالماوس. طيب دي المالتيبلز اللي هي التايم تيبل اوف 4. فاحنا عارفين 4 8 12. ما كملتش ليه؟ لان احنا عندنا النمبرز لغايه 12. طيب هنا الفاكتورز يبقى احنا عرفنا لما اقول مالتيبلز اوف 8 يبقى تايم تيبل اوف 8، اما اقول مالتيبلز اوف 7 تايم تيبل اوف 7. خلاص and get increase يعني it will increase in every time or you will add. مثلا لو انا بقول time table of 17 you will add 17 at every step. خلاص 17 34 and so on. طيب تعالوا بقى هنا factors of 12. طيب الفاكتورز اوف 12. طب احنا لو قلت لنا مثل الفاكتورز اوف 12 يعني ايه كلمة فاكتورز؟ فاكتورز دي سهلة خالص. يعني ايه اللي بيكون لنا ال 12؟ يعني ال 12 دي how many multiply how many get me 12. يبقى الفاكتورز again how many multiply how many equals 12. كل الفاكتورز اللي في دماغي ولازم ال1 يبقى موجود فيها، يبقى محدش ينسى ال1. يبقى لما اقول فاكتورز don't forget this one. اوكي ما تنسوش ال1. حاجة مؤكدة احنا اول ما بتبتدي A B C يعني المالتبلاي 1 multiply by what. okay so 1 multiply by 12 احنا you will find here that بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ال 12 ايه اللي بيكونها 1 multiplied by 12. طيب ايه تاني؟ هتلاقي 2 روح لتيبل 2. 2 multiplied by كام؟ by how many؟ by 6 equals 12. نروح لتيبل 3. 3 multiplied by how many equals 12؟ 4. طب يا مس انا لو ما تلاقيتش في تيبل 3 عادي مش مشكلة، دي مش multiples of 3. طيب لو رحنا لتيبل 4 4 multiplied by 3 بس 5 لا ما فيش. خلاص so this is the factors of 12. so it's 1 12 2 6 3 4. okay 1 12 2 6 3 4. تعالوا بقى هنقول المالتيبلز اوف 4. المالتيبلز اوف 4 دي عندنا ويكون فاكتورز اوف 12. طيب ايه المشترك ما بينهم كده؟ تعالوا بصوا معايا. المشترك ما بينهم هنا نغير لون القلم. المشترك ما بينهم هنلاقي ان الفور موجودة هنا وموجودة هنا. خلاص يبقى اول واحدة فور. طيب في تاني ال 8. there is no 8. 12. yes 12 here and here. so the second one is 12. okay, by the way this is common. so it will be 4 and 12. what about not multiples of 4 بس factors of 12؟ طيب يبقى انا هختار اي حاجة ما عدا ال 4 و 12. يعني هي not multiples of 12 not multiples of 4 اهو. يعني انا مش هختار اي not multiples of 4 بس ايه، يعني انا هستثني ايه ال 12 وال 4 بس اي حاجة ايه factors في ال 12. يبقى انا هاخد ال 1 وال 2 وال 6 وال 3. يبقى 1 2 وال 6 وال 3. خلاص. طيب ده بقى يعني اللي هو العكس خالص. هنا بيقول هنا multiples of 4 بس not factors of 8. طب ما احنا قلنا المشترك ما بينهم 4 و 12 بس ال 8 ديت not factors of ايه of 12. so I will choose it 8. 8 sorry. then I will go to this one. دي بقى يعني كل حاجة مختلفة not multiples of 4 و not factors of 12. زي ايه؟ اختاروا بقى النمبرز اللي انا ما اخترتهاش. يبقى انا هبعد عن كل دول وهقوم اخده ايه. هاخد مثلا اللي هي ال1 وال2 لا موجودة. احنا كنا اخدين بصوا عشان ما نوجعش عينينا كانت ال5 وال6 مش موجودة. يبقى 5 و6 لا موجودة لا في ال4 ولا في ال12. ال5 وال6 وايه تاني وال7. يس سوري ال6 كان معلش انا اسفة. ال6 كانت موجودة. I will erase it. so 5 و7 and 5 و7 9 وايه تاني بقى النمبرز الباقية و11. what about 10؟ 10 برضو ما كانتش موجودة في الاتنين. so it will be 5 10 7 9 11. اوكي. طيب بصوا بقى معايا كده. احنا عندنا we have 4 or 5 types of angles. احنا عندنا acute it's less than 90 degree and this is acute angle. if we make it like this is acute angle and this is less than 90 degree. and what about this one? okay, I will make it like this. this is obtuse angle and this is more than 90 degree and less than 180. and there is another one. it's called right angle triangle. sorry, right angle. okay, and the symbol it's like a small square. the symbol it will be like a small square. it's actually equal 90 degree. يعني دي لازم 90 degree مفيش ليها قياس تاني غير ال 90 degree. وبرضو اللي زيها اللي قياسها برضو محدد الستريت لاين. الستريت لاين انجل. ستريت لاين انجل اللي هي بتبقى عاملة كده. المفروض ان دي ستريت لاين انجل. like this. this is the point and this is a straight line angle. ودي برضو ملهاش قياس تاني. this is the measurement of this angle. this type of angle is 180 degree. 180 ايه degree. دي يا ريمان الجزء اللي انت كنت عايزاني اشرحه لك. طيب بص معايا كده. اللي هو find the measure of each indicated angle. ركزي معايا يا ريمان عشان انت كنت غايبة في الجزء ده. انا لما بقول هنا find the measure of each indicated angle، انا عندي هنا straight angle، straight line angle. طيب ال straight line angle دي الميجرمنت بتاعتها 180، يعني انا عندي 180، يعني انا عندي كل ده، كل الجزء ده equal 180. طيب انا عندي من كل الاجزاء ديت عندي 3 angles. عندي الانجل دي والانجل دي والانجل دي and this is missing one. دي انا مش عارفاها، فانا بعمل ايه؟ بقول طب ما انا عندي كل دول 180، طب ما انا اعمل بلس لدول على بعض واللي يطلع اعمله ماينس 180، اعمله ماينس 180. so يبقى انا هعمل 53 plus 47 plus 50. it will be 150. I will minus from 180 so it will give me 30 degree. وباي ذا واي عشان كلكم بتنسوا انا لما بكتب 30 degree don't forget to write this degree like a small circle. okay, so it will be 30 degree. تاني يبقى انا ال 100 if I find this is 180. okay, this is 180 and a straight line angle. This is a missing part. So we have all of these equals 180. Okay, 180. 8 okay, 80. So I will add this one plus this one, and the result I will make it minus from 180. يعني 62 plus 35. okay, it will give me 97. I will minus from 180 and get the answer. okay, and this is all that I will say. This is the types of angles. This is acute, obtuse, right angle. You will mention this is the symbol of right angles. This is right angle, and this is acute, and it will be very easy for you. And this is obtuse. okay, I think this is repeating. So goodbye and good luck.